Hello, my lovelies. We had been preparing for this day, the day when we finally assemble our new Stone Age dioramas. We will assemble the diorama with a shoebox or any box of the same size that you can find at home. Here, as you can see, I have already pasted a background on the inside flap of the box. You can also see how I assembled my box so that it has a foreground and the background. I also have my miniatures cut and a taped toothpick at the back of each so I can easily put them in place later. I also made little houses out of cardboards, just like this. And gathered some scraps of newspapers and crumpled them. Earlier, I prepared a homemade glue because I realized I ran out of glue. So if you don't have glue, don't panic. There's a video link at the descriptions below showing you how to make some homemade glue. Now we are ready to assemble. If you want to take your diorama to the next level, you may also create miniatures using Play-Doh or clay, or you may even make sheep out of cotton wool. Use your imagination. Please don't forget to send me a photo of your masterpiece. Best dioramas will be posted on my Instagram and will be given house points. Happy creating! This is Miss G saying